Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
This is an OET speaking test. You have 20 minutes speaking. In this, we have two role plays.
Okay.
One is the patient as well as the nurse, and one more is the patient, nurse as well as the patient party. So this is your clue card,
Okay.
and this is your paper and pencil. You can note down the points here. Only 2 minutes are given for the preparation. Okay, your time starts now.
Good morning. I am Navya. I am one of the registered nurses in this pediatric department. How may I help you?
Oh, sister, I am very much worried about my son's situation.
Okay.
I am really concerned about him.
Okay, I can understand your concern. Your son's name is Master Richard, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, he had undergone surgery recently for knee surgery.
Yeah, yes, sister.
Okay, I have gone through with his case sheet and he is well now, and the operation was successful and he is doing better now. And anything else you want to know about him?
So, I'm really worried about his diet, how the diet will be.
Okay, there is no special diet for the knee surgery, but you can start with the liquid or bland diet, and you can reduce the spicy foods and takeaway foods. Rather than giving the takeaway food, you can give him the homely foods, and you can include more fluid and fruits in his diet.
Actually, he's very fond of junk food. That's the reason I am very much now concerned to have a light food and all.
Okay, you can prepare some sandwich where you can decorate it with different this fruits and vegetables, and you can give to him.
Okay, that's a nice idea.
Okay.
And what type of fracture is this, sister?
Actually, he has got a knee fracture, and for that the surgery has been done. I think he has fallen somewhere, right, while playing soccer.
Yeah, he's very fond of that.
Okay. And what else you want to know, Mrs. Smith?
And is there any medication after this surgery?
Yes, of course, he has got two types of medicine. That is, one is antibiotic and one is painkiller. And he has to continue the medication for at least 5 days. So you should never stop the antibiotic in between. So make sure he does not stop it in between.
Okay. How many days I should continue? Means my son has to continue this antibiotics?
It's for 5 days.
Yeah. 5 days he has to take.
Yeah, he has to continue that too. The prescribed dose he has to take, and he has to never miss the medicine.
Okay. Yeah. Then after that, after the medication, the diet I can change, no?
At least for 2 weeks you can follow the same diet, that is less spicy, and you should not give any junk food for him. And after that, once he is okay, you can give. But it's not good for his health, so once in a while you can give.
Okay, for any exercise I should perform to him, like
actually he had recently undergone the surgery, no? So he can do the light exercises like stretching or such things. So avoid the vigorous, better to avoid the vigorous exercises. And if you wish, I can direct you to the physiotherapist who can guide you better.
Okay, sister. I think it's
Shall I?
Yeah, sister.
Okay.
You can do it. So it's a better idea, I think.
Yeah. I think I have addressed all your concerns. Do you have any other questions?
No, sister. I cleared all my doubts.
Okay, bye.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
I wish your son a speedy recovery.
Okay, thank you, sister.